GM. So today we're going to go ahead and mint a token. You can see it right here. And then we're going to go and list it for sale on our zero fee marketplace. And it's going to look something like this. Cool, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go to create over here. You'll see a bunch of different options in the create menu. We're going to select one of one and hit create. Let's hit new contract over here. And we're just going to go through the steps. So first thing we're going to do is let's select a network. In this case, I'll do base. So contract name, I'm going to call this manifold admin. Symbol and ASCII art. So I created an ASCII art from a generator. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this over. Cool. And then let's hit create. Great. So we can see a contract stage and we're going to hit save and next. Next thing we're going to do is stage our media. All right. So let's drag our artwork in. You can always just mint things. Nice. Great. And properties, if you need, sure, let's add one. Let's go add a text property and we're going to call it year. Let's go 2025 and let's hit save. And we're going to go hit next. We're going to mint it to our own wallet. If you want, you can airdrop it to another one. Cool. Everything looks good. Let's hit publish. Now this flow will take you through a couple different steps. The first thing it's going to do is upload all your media to Arweave, a decentralized storage platform. After that, you're going to see two transactions. The first transaction is going to be for you to deploy your contract. It's going to verify the contract, and then once that's done, you're going to see another transaction to mint your token. Great, so token's minted, and what we're going to do next is actually list it for sale. Once you've minted a token, you can decide where you want to sell it. In this case, we're going to sell it on Manifold Zero Fee Marketplace, so we're just going to hit this here. So let's select the token we want to sell. If you just minted your token, it might take a couple minutes for our scanners to pick it up and you might not see it. If that's the case, just take a break for a couple minutes, come back to it, and you'll see it here. So I'm going to hit save and next. Here, you'll be able to select the different listing types. So you can see flat price, auctions, and private listings. I'm going to hit auction. And here you can configure your auction settings. So I'm going to set a start price of 0.01. Primary sales go to my wallet. If I want to split the sale, I can do that here. Just make sure everything tallies up to 100. All right, so auction starts. This will help you determine the start and end time for your auction. Typically, people will set duration. What that means is once the first bid is placed, the auction will run for a certain period of time. For finite, you basically start your exact start and end times. So we're going to set duration, and after the first bid, it's going to run for about a day. Cool, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and publish. Awesome. So we've created the listing. So if we want to take a look at our listing, we can just click this here. Awesome. There you go. Minted a token and listed it for sale. So if you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us on our forums, Discord, or X.